Hey everyone, welcome to New York City. If you are visiting and want to see the city from way up high, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to get to the edge observation deck at Hudson Yards and give you a quick walkthrough so you don't get lost. First, let's talk about the vessel. This eye-catching structure was designed by Thomas Heatherwick and opened in 2019. Its honeycomb shape was inspired by ancient Indian step wells. It's made up of 154 interconnected staircases with nearly 2,500 steps. It's one of the major photo spots and landmark in this area. The plaza around Hudson Yards is also a beautiful place to explore. There is public art, fountains, wide open space, and sometimes even live events or sport matches on outdoor screens. It's a great area to stroll around before or after you visit to the edge. The best way to get to the edge is from the side of the vessel, which is located at Hudson Yards Plaza, right off 33rd Street and 10th Avenue. You'll be heading into the shops at Hudson Yards. That's the large glass shopping center next to the vessel. The entrance is just a short walk from the 34th Street Hudson Yards subway station on the 7th train. Once you're inside the plaza and the shops at Hudson Yards, head to the left side of the main entrance. That's where you'll find the elevators. Take one up to the first floor. Once you get off, it's easy to spot signs pointing you towards the edge. If you haven't bought your tickets online, no worries, you can purchase one right there. Once you step out onto the edge at the 100th floor, get ready for some of the best views in New York City. You'll be standing on the highest outdoor sky deck in the Western Hemisphere, and the view stretches for miles in every direction. Whether you are visiting for the first time or just looking for the best views of New York City, this spot is truly unforgettable. found this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe for more tips and travel videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy the view. See you at the next one.